Hello friends, Merry Christmas. Today we will be making guacamole. It's a really easy, colorful recipe to make. It is also something you can serve as parties as a healthy option and requires no cooking at all. First, I'll show you how to cut an avocado. To cut an avocado, you have to cut it in the middle vertically. When you're cutting, keep cutting until you reach the seed before moving on to cut the rest of the avocado. Twist to separate the two halves and pull them apart. Then you need to remove the seed. This can be done by twisting the seed out with a knife. Avocados are the main ingredient in guacamole. It is also really healthy and contains more potassium than a banana. Cutting the actual avocado is easy. Just cut it vertically and horizontally and into thin slices. It is very soft, so once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Scoop out the avocado pieces with a spoon. If you've cut them to the very bottom, they'll come out pretty easily. As well as that, there is no wastage with cutting. Now to make the actual guacamole. You can add them in any order by adding 2 medium-sized chopped onions and 1 chopped tomato in with the avocado. Next, add in a handful of chopped coriander. After that, add in salt to taste and a tablespoon of crushed black peppercorns. Then cut a lime into halves and squeeze the juice into the guacamole. You don't need too much juice. I've used both halves because there wasn't that much juice. Mix them well. The guacamole is now ready to eat. There are many ways you can eat it. You can have it on its own or with toast or wraps like we're showing here. Traditionally, guacamole is eaten in tacos since they originate from Mexico. But now it's enjoyed as a salad and dip all around the world. You can eat it any way you like, but it's still yummy. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Bunny's Bites. If you liked this or had some feedback, comment below. Yummy!